Well, hello everyone. So this is the video for SQL based CDR Fetch Job Module that I made. I made a video presentation of FM wireline system via SQL and Python. So this is the submodule for that system, and whoever knows it, it's not a new thing for them. But for the guys who are now exploring the backend part and capable of doing things by learning the technologies each and every day, for them it's like a new achievement. Okay, let's start. So if I cut short the whole scenario, it comes up to copying the CDRs. Okay, so like here only in this PPT you can see that we have the client FTP site and we want CDR or CDRs to be fetched to our database. So yeah, so we want the CDRs basically to our CDR table from the client site or server, be it FTP or SFTP. We are assuming here that we have the access, and so we are copying CDRs into our DB. So this module is all about doing that, but with no errors or failures. Yeah, that is the most important thing. So in this I will be explaining later with the SQL part that we have used SQL stored procedures. So you can see that in these slides, basically in this module the module is very simple, that we have to copy the CDRs from the client side and to be it in our database, but with no errors. I like no duplicate error, values or replication errors. So basically we want data that is clean and clear. So let me explain with the SQL Server part. Okay, so we are in our SQL Server part. So we will be using SQL Server stored procedure and defining a query to get the data from the source and keep copying the data with our desired intervals. But the main problem is that data should not replicate and must be unique and complete, as I told you earlier. Okay, so let's see. I have already made a stored procedure here. Okay, so for copying the CDRs, and I have applied the logics that data should not be duplicate and replicate. Okay, so let's check, and now I will explain. So let's treat this CDR table as a client site or FTP or SFTP, whatever it would be. But if I execute this query, you can see there are 9 CDRs. So what is the I want is that my requirement is that to copy those CDRs to my CDR table, which is CDR 51 table. So basically I will empty this. Okay, if I see that if I execute this, now you can see that this is totally empty. So I made already a stored procedure, and I will show you that in these jobs. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so in these jobs we can see that in general I have given name and description, copy of CDR, and if I see the traps that I have already mentioned with the name of copy CDRs, and the scheduling time is, you can see here, occurs every day every 5 minutes between this and this. So every 5 minutes the copying of CDRs is being done, and you can see that particularly schedule time is only 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes those CDRs will be already copied, but the data will keep not copying the CDRs but initially we have seen that 9 CDRs are there, but it should not increase by every 5 minutes. You can understand, I believe that it should not be next 5 minutes, it should not be 18 then 27. So data should not, there should be some logic which we will be excluding the same data again and again. Yeah, now you got it. You got all. So let's check it. Okay, we will be going there. Okay, so if we check now, and we will execute this query, you can see particularly yeah, the 9 CDRs are there. Okay, but yeah, it will not replicate because I have designed the query in such a way. Okay, I will be giving example. You can search down in net also, and you can find the logic. It's not a big deal. Just you have to keep finding until you get the results. So I will show you. I will show you the that part also. Yeah, so here we can see that there are many sites. This site is also explaining that 5 easy ways to handle duplicates using SQL insert into select. So first is using insert into select distinct. This will also give you the result to avoid the duplicates. Then there is also using where not in. You can put that in your query also using where not exist. And yeah, it totally depends on you how you dealing with your data. So using if not exists is also an option, and using count all is equal to 0 is also an option. So this all options are there. How you modify your query, how you design your query, and you getting results as per your as per your requirements. So I believe that I have explained it in a very easy manner. Anyone who is a fresher, who is not a technical guy, can understand. And this happens only when you choose to install the things that you want to do. Like for SQL, it's quite easy for everyone now who is doing it. But the thing is that you have to install it. Once you install the thing, and then there is a desire that I should try, and then first it will be hard. But the mindset is that the nature of this mind and body is that you will keep doing it if you have installed it. If not, you have not given any thought for it, then it will be not be happening for you. Just because you are planning to play a cricket, but you are not purchasing a bat. The day you purchase a bat, it will make you play cricket. So this this is the logic. Yeah, this is quite natural. Okay, okay, guys. Uh, this is the video for the CDR Fetch Job Module, and I have explained it all from whatever the easiest way I can. And please take care of yourself, and have a nice day. Bye bye.